Good morning, YouTube. I know I got some pretty awesome morning here. But yeah, I got home super late last night. I can't remember what time, and I just crashed. So let's hang out. You cuddling you? Oh, is he giving you kissies? Whew. Well, guys, I mowed this side of the yard in between raining. It's been raining all day. And yeah, it's just been kind of slow because I've been super freaking tired from yesterday. I don't even remember when I got home. I think I already said that once in the vlog though, but yeah, let's keep going. Yummy, 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 fresh time. Bravo 6 going dark. Well, this guy's my last hope here, and he just marked himself as the high value target near people, so I'm hoping that he don't die soon. I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh, he's got a riot shield. Oof. A for effort though. Guys, I have a problem. The DMV is closed, still. They're supposed to be open, I think, in this phase, but they're not. So my license is still expired. And on that note, guys, I think I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, sub, share, hit that bell. And as always, I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Bye.